Hi, welcome to online lecture series on microcontroller and embedded system. The subject code is 1944 and lecture number is 38. I am Dr. Singaravilan and the topic is on Introduction to Arduino from Module 5. In last video, we have seen the basic concept of Atmega 2560. In this video, I am going to discuss about the basic concept of Arduino development board and IDE. As we already discussed that the Arduino is an open source platform and attracts most of the research scholars and project developers. In addition to that, many of the undergraduate and postgraduate students are also easily adapting the Arduino technology concept, or in other words, through Arduino platform, the students are learning the concept of microcontroller and embedded system. That's why Arduino platform is used to explain the concept of Atmega 2560 microcontroller. In addition to that, in this lecture series, we are going to focus on some basic and commonly used hardware circuit for developing an embedded system. By this way, the students can start doing their own hardware project. Let's jump into the content. The Arduino Mega 2560 is a microcontroller board based on Atmega 2560. It has 54 digital input-output pins, of which 14 can be used as a pulse width modulation output, 16 analog input, 4 UART, a 16 MHz crystal oscillator, a USB connection, a power jack, an ICSP header, that is in-circuit serial programming header, a reset button. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Simply connect it to a computer with a USB cable or power it with AC to DC adapter or battery to get started. The Arduino Mega 2560 can be powered via USB connection or with an external power source. The power source is selected automatically. There are two types of power sources available on board, which is 5 volt and 3.3 volt, and a ground pin to connect within the circuit. There are 4 serial ports available in the board, which is serial 0, serial 1, serial 2 and serial 3. The serial 0 is from the pin number 0 and 1, serial 1 is from 19 and 18, serial 2 is from 17 and 16, and serial 3 is from 15 and 14. There are 6 external interrupts available in this board, and the interrupt 0 is from pin number 2, interrupt 1 is pin number 3, interrupt 5 is pin number 18, interrupt 4 is pin number 19, interrupt 3 is pin number 20, and interrupt 2 is pin number 21. There is an inbuilt LED available in this board to check the high and low value while operating in the software. This LED is connected in the pin number 13. So if you want to program or if you want to test your program, you can give the program signals to the pin number 13 and you can check the inbuilt LED available in this. The Arduino Mega has several facilities for the communication with a computer or another Arduino or other microcontrollers. The Arduino software includes a serial monitor which allows simply textual data to send and to from the board. The RX and TX LED on the board will flash when the data is being transmitted via Atmega 8U2 chip and the USB connection to the computer. The Arduino Mega has a resettable polyfuse that protects your computer's USB port from short circuit and overcurrent. Although most computers provide their own internal protocol for protecting the devices, the fuse provides an external layer of the protection. If more than 500 milliamp is applied to the USB port, the fuse will automatically break the connection until the short circuit or overcurrent is removed. The Arduino Mega 2560 can be programmed with the Arduino software. The software can be downloaded from the given link. The Atmega 2560 on the Arduino Mega comes pre-burned with a bootloader that allows you to upload new code to it without using an external hardware programmer. It communicates using the original STK500 protocol. You can also bypass the bootloader and program the microcontroller through ICSP, that is in-circuit serial programming header. One of the important features of Arduino Mega is that automatic software test. Rather than requiring a physical press of the reset button before an upload, The Arduino Mega is designed in a way that it allows to be resetted by the software running on a connected computer. The Arduino Integrated Development Environment or Arduino software, that is IDE, contains a text editor for writing code, a message area, a text console, a toolbar with buttons for common function and a series of menus. It connects to the Arduino and a genuine hardware to upload programs and communicates with them. Programs written using Arduino software are called sketches. These sketches are written in the text editor and are saved with the file extension .ino. The editors has features of cutting, pasting for searching and replacing the text. The message area gives feedback while saving and exporting and display errors. The console displays text output by the Arduino software, including complete error message and other informations. The bottom right hand side corner of the window displays the configured board and serial port. The toolbar buttons allow you to verify and upload programs, create, open and save sketches and open the serial monitor. It is noted that the version of the Arduino software prior to 1.0 saves sketches with the extension .pde. It is possible to open this file with version above 1.5. You will be promoted to open the save sketches with the extension of .ino to save it. Before uploading your sketch, you need to select the correct item from the tool and select board and tools and select port menu. On Windows, it is probably COM1 or COM2 or even COM4, 5, 7 or higher also. To find out, you look for USB serial device in the port selection of the Windows Device Manager. Once you have selected the correct serial port and board, press the file of upload button in the toolbar or select the upload item from the sketch menu. The current Arduino board will reset automatically and begin the upload. When you upload a sketch, you are using the Arduino bootloader, a small program that has been loaded on the microcontroller on your board. It allows you to upload code without using any external or additional hardware. The bootloader is active for a few seconds when the board is reset. Then it starts whichever sketch was most recently uploaded to the microcontroller. The bootloader will blink on the board on the pin number 13. The LED will start. Libraries provide extra functionality for use in sketches. Example, working with hardware or manipulating data. To use a library in a sketch, select it from the Sketch Import Library menu. This will insert one or more #include statement as the top of the sketch and compile the library with your sketch. Because libraries are uploaded to the board with your sketch, they increase the amount of space it takes up. If your sketch is no longer needed a library, simply delete it #include statement from the top of your code. There is a list of libraries in the reference available in the internet or Arduino website. Some libraries are including with the Arduino software, others can be downloaded from variety of the sources or through the library manager. Starting with version 1.0.5 of the IDE, you can import a library from a zip file and use it in OpenSketch. See this instruction for installing a third-party library which is available in the respective website. The serial monitor displays serial send from the Arduino or genuine board over USB or serial connector. To send data to the board, enter the text and click on send button or press enter. Choose the baud rate from the drop-down menu that matches the rate passes to the serial begin in your sketch. Note that on Windows, Mac or Linux, the board will reset when you connect the serial monitor. Please note that the serial monitor does not process control the character. If your sketch needs a complete management of the serial communication with control character, you can use an external terminal program and connect it to the COM port assigned to your Arduino board. Up to this, we have seen some basic idea about the IDE and the microcontroller. In next video, we will start dealing with some small programs on Arduino Mega. Have a nice day. Thank you.